Most people think you have to spend a lot of money to be comfortable, or camping means trading comfort for adventure. But what if I told you you can have both for a little bit of money? Imagine this. You spent the day hiking, exploring, or getting firewood. The sun's setting, the fire's glowing, and instead of sinking into a stiff camp chair, you drop into a comfortable sofa. Not just any sofa, but one that turns into a comfortable bed. One you pull out of your gear bag and inflate in minutes.
5 minutes later.
This is the Intex Inflatable Pull-Out Sofa, and it's about to change the way you camp. So what is this thing? It's pretty much exactly what it sounds. It's an inflatable sofa that turns into a bed. Now before you picture one of those squeaky air mattresses from the 90s, hear me out. Over the next few minutes, I'm gonna go over what makes this piece of gear so unique and why it might just become the most talked about piece of gear at your campsite. Size-wise, it's huge. In sofa mode, it measures 36, 77, 41, 24, 60 by 23. And in bed mode, it measures 26, 77, 58 by 88. Fully inflated, it can fit 2 to 3 people comfortably. The vinyl surface has this velvety texture feeling that feels great on your skin. It's got 2 cup holders, an armrest, and a backrest. It actually feels like furniture, not just camp furniture. In fact, it's so comfortable, people use it as their main sofa at home. So I know what you're thinking. This thing is huge. How am I gonna haul this thing? It folds down into a small bundle big enough to fit in the back seat or a big duffel bag. It weighs about 16 pounds. Keep in mind, it doesn't come with a pump, but you can easily buy an electric pump for about 15 bucks. I really love this DeWalt one because it serves so many purposes. You can inflate, you can deflate, and it's got different accessories to pump up different things like a ball, or this one's an adapter to pump up different valves on a bike. And it's also got an attachment to where you can pump up your car tire too. Unlike most inflatable furniture where it feels hard and bouncy, this sofa bed has what's called stretch fabric. So the fabric feels like it gives, so it doesn't feel really hard and bouncy. And here's when things get even better. When it's time to sleep, you just pull out the base, and in a few seconds, you have a bed that's almost a queen size. No need to wrestle with a spare air mattress or rearrange your gear. You go from couch mode to bed mode in seconds. There's plenty of room for one person to starfish or 2 to 3 people to sleep without fighting for blanket territory. There's so many uses for this couch. You can use this couch for picnics, backyard barbecues, family camping with the kids, or your kids' sports events. Think about that. Next time you're at their game, all the parents are sitting in their regular folding chairs, and you bust out a sofa bed. Pair it with a canopy, and it's guaranteed to be the main hangout at your next camping or outdoor event. This sofa bed is so comfortable. My daughter loves just sitting in it, hanging out in it, or building forts in it. We even do movie nights on this thing. So let's be real. No product is perfect. Let's get to the pros and the cons. The pros: it's comfortable, versatile, quick setup, packs up small for what it is, and the sheer wow factor of having a sofa bed at your campsite for about $70. Now let's get to the cons. It's still an inflatable, so you need to treat it with care. It's also a little bit big to carry in a backpack, but it is a camping luxury item. But honestly, those are minor trade-offs for the comfort it brings to the outdoors. It has 3 multifunctional valves, one on the back and one on each of the cushions, from fully open to let the air out to one-way in to inflate and then to fully seal. For something this big, it's surprisingly easy to pack away. Just open the valve all the way, squeeze out all the air, and fold it up. So if you're the kind of camper who loves the outdoors but doesn't want to give up on the comfort, the Intex Inflatable Pull-Out Sofa is a game changer. It's portable, functional, and surprisingly affordable at $70, making it one of the most versatile pieces of gear you can own. Next time you head out into the wild, give yourself the gift of a real place to kick back. Trust me, once you try it, you'll never go back to one of those flimsy camping chairs for long evenings by the campfire. What is your most luxurious piece of camping gear you never go camping without? Let me know in the comments below. I hope you found this video helpful. Like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.